20 meters away from the Heritage School Vasant Kunj and 100 meters from ILBS. This prime location is D1 Vasant Kunj, and I'm going to show you the last prime property this place has to offer. A 5 bedroom, 5 bathroom duplex penthouse. Let's go. I'm Sid and we are S2B Real Estate. Now if you're an HNI, UHNI or aspiring to be one, this is the place where you have to live. For you one, which is the last and final one this place has to offer. Now behind me is a duplex, 5 bedroom, 5 bathroom penthouse. Let's have a look. Now this property is under development, which means जितना इसमें काम होते जाएगा, जितना ये अपने फिनिश के पास आएगा, उतना इसकी प्राइस बढ़ते जाएगी, which is why we wanted to bring you this house as soon as possible. Now if you look around, this is the hall area, जहाँ से एक balcony है and थोड़ा अंदर आते हैं. Now that's your first washroom, which is connected to the hall. As I'm walking into the living space, जहाँ पे एक open windows scenario है. घर के फ्रंट में भी पार्क है, घर के बैक में भी पार्क है. Now on the back side there are stairs which go up and behind me are 2 bedrooms जहाँ पे एक walk around balcony जाता है. This bedroom has its own walk-in closet on the right. And here's the most interesting part. घर के फ्रंट में जो पार्क देखा था हमने, अभी हम बैक साइड वाले पार्क. So you have a seamless green view, which is very important in Delhi's AQI. These keep in high and the AQI low, and your house is always going to be pure house like this. Say. Now this bedroom, like the others, has its own walk-in wardrobe and a bathroom. Come, let's have a look. Now as you can also see, under construction ही इतना सुंदर लग रहा है, तो बनने के बाद ये क्या हो सकता है. ये फॉल सीलिंग जो घर के हर रूम में जाता है, keeps the house very bright throughout the day. And as you can see, हम दिसंबर के फर्स्ट वीक में शूट कर रहे हैं and we get ample of sunlight from both the sides, which is very rare in Delhi. This is the living space. यहाँ पे आपके 2 सीटर्स, 3 सीटर्स, सोफा, काउच, कॉफी टेबल, टीवीज, पैनल सब लग सकते हैं. As you can see, the windows, ये पूरा open है, and the items which are kept outside are in the balcony. Every room, every space in this house comes with its own balcony. And let's go to this other bedroom. Balcony आपने देखा. This is the space. Comes with a lot of storage. This house has so much storage. You will be confused what to do with it. False ceiling. And there is space for your study. There is space for your bedrooms. And there is space for a small TV. There is a space for panel. Lots of electrical places all around the house. अब लिविंग रूम है, बेडरूम साइड में है, हॉल साइड में है, तो नेचुरली किचन भी पास होना चाहिए, which is what this space is. Have a look. This kitchen has space for modulars, for a chimney. As you can see, यहाँ भी window अभी बनने वाला है. Now if this spacious lounge area is not enough for you, let me take you to another space, to another floor of this duplex penthouse. ये सीढ़ियाँ ऊपर जाती है, ये जो हॉल एरिया है ये आपका सिटिंग में यूज हो सकता है, इसके नीचे आप अपना और स्टोरेज बना सकते हैं. And this place is also going to be allowing you for sunlight. A lovely window can come here. Now let's go up. अब मैं इसके ऊपर वाले फ्लोर पे आ चुका हूं. एंड इफ यू आर अ विजनरी एंड अ क्रिएटिव, आपको ज्यादा एफर्ट नहीं लगेगा टू इमेजिन व्हाट दिस प्लेस कैन बी. बिहाइंड मी इज स्पेस फॉर अ लार्ज विंडो सीटिंग एरिया. एंड यहां हम इसके हॉल में आ चुके हैं, जहां पे लग्जरी एट इट्स पीक, द काइंड ऑफ विंडोज जो सिर्फ कुछ ही घरों में मिलते हैं, जो रूफ से फ्लोर तक जाते हैं, दैट इज अवेलेबल हियर विद ग्रीनरी. And on the left you have a pantry in this hall, because every floor needs a small area like that. Now inside this large floor यहाँ पे एक और bedroom है with another floor to roof window space with sliding window option and a balcony, so you can always enjoy fresh air and sunlight even in Delhi because of the trees and the park and the view that this place offers. Now naturally every bedroom comes with a bathroom space which is also attached, तो आपको ज़्यादा travel करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Across the same hall opposite to this bedroom you will have two more bedrooms. These are the two bedrooms, one on the left and one on the right, जिनके साथ आपको एक और रनिंग balcony मिल जाता है which goes around like the one below. यहाँ पे there is space for storage, यहाँ पे आपके wardrobes आ जाएंगे. Now over here electricals are gonna be all around the place, which we all know is very important, and there is a lovely bathroom which is going to come here. This is the space for that. And if you understand this space, you will also understand how lovely it's going to look after it's going to be complete. The balcony. Now while I enjoy the sun, I want you to enjoy the other room which also gets equal sunlight, जहाँ पे windows के side के लिए खुले हुए हैं. You can install your windows which open into this lovely space, जहाँ पे there is space for another walk-in wardrobe and a bathroom. So this is the walk-in wardrobe जहाँ पे काम अभी चल रहा है full power, and this is the bathroom space. Now everything's gonna have a false ceiling and lights which are overhead. I hope you enjoyed this video and the tour around the house as much as I'm enjoying the sun in the first week of December. We are S2B Real Estate, and अगर आपको ये घर पसंद आया, then you know how to contact us. Our contact details are in the video and in the description below. I am Sid and we are S2B Real Estate.